What is the best option between endowment plans and ULIP plans? Financial planner Mr. Ramalingam will share his insights with you now.
Compared to an endowment, ULIP can give you good return. Yes, compared to an endowment, ULIP can give you a good return. Endowments can give you only 5% return. ULIP can give you 7 to 8% return. But put together 5 to 8% return, is it good? Endowment is something like an FD which invests where there is less of volatility or risk, but it gives you only 5% return. Do you have to invest in such a policy, lock your money? You can avoid. ULIP, it is investing in stock market and taking risk. It is investing and taking risk, but for that risk, are we getting better risk adjusted return? No, it is giving you only 8% return. It is not a better risk adjusted return because of cost. It is not giving you good return. Number one. Number two, ULIP as a product is designed in such a way that there is no motivation for the fund manager to show performance. You can understand this concept better. See, when you are investing in a ULIP, generally you don't compare, say, ICICI ULIPs large cap, what's the return? HDFC ULIPs large cap, what is the return? No one could have compared. They simply understand what is the risk, how much I invest, what is the premium I have to pay, what is it I may get, they'll invest. They will not value the performance. Looking at these fund performance, you are not investing in ULIP. When you are coming out also, you are not going to look at how HDFC ULIP large cap is performing or how ICICI large cap ULIP is performing. Compare and come out, you will not do. Right? Whereas in a mutual fund, if HDFC large cap is doing well or ICICI large cap is doing well, you will compare and based on that you will choose a best performing mutual fund to invest. Similarly, when you come out also, because this large cap was well when I have invested, now it has become an underperformer, you are coming out. Now this puts a lot of pressure on the fund manager. Let us say I am the fund manager of Nippon and I have a large cap fund and I am not there is a close competitor which is like who's like giving me half a percentage extra return. There's a high probability people will invest fresh money only there and people will shift money from here to there. This putting pressure on me to give competitive returns, right? So there's a pressure for me to perform. Whereas in ULIP there is no such thing. Because I'm performing, I'm not going to attract more money. Because I'm not performing, I'm not going to lose money. Because once you have invested, there are a lot of surrender charges. It is not easy to exit. So there is no motivation for the fund manager. That is why if you compare HDFC ULIP's large cap versus HDFC mutual funds large cap, there will be underperformance in ULIP. Birla ULIP large cap, Birla mutual fund large cap, when you compare, there is underperformance. So that sense, when you look at it, yes, compared to endowment, ULIP can give you a higher rate of return, but ULIP, you are taking the risk by investing in stock market, but you are not adequately rewarded. That is the point.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.